Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to cook Maruya or banana fritters with cinnamon. Here are the ingredients. 6 pieces Saba bananas, 1 cup all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup sugar, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1 medium-sized egg, 1½ teaspoon vanilla extract, 1 cup milk, 1½ teaspoon olive oil, and for dusting, 1/2 cup sugar and 1 tablespoon cinnamon powder. Peel and put the bananas into a large bowl and use the bottom of a fork to press down until the banana is well mashed and set aside. In a bowl, mix all the dry ingredients. In another bowl, beat the egg and mix all the liquid ingredients. Combine and mix well. Then add the mashed bananas to the mixture. Put oil in a heated pan. Pour 1/2 cup of the mixture into the pan and cook both sides until golden brown. Combine sugar and cinnamon powder for dusting. Bon appetit! Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe.